Hey guys, and in this video we are going to see a quick review on this car polishing machine. So this product is from a company called Gaocheng, which is a Chinese brand. So this actually costed me around 2,800 rupees. Let me show you the spec sheet. So it comes with 1200 watts power and which operates in 220 watts. So let us unbox it and see what are all the products they are giving us. So this is the handle for the machine and some screws and nuts, I guess. And they have also given us a small buffing pad, and this is the machine. So it's a bit heavy if you could compare it with the angle grinder also. A lot of brandings overall, I would say, at the front, at the sides, and also at the rear. So this, I think, is a small cloth. I think it won't be that useful for you guys. So it comes with a 2-pin. There is no earth connection in it. Usually Chinese brands don't give 3-pin. So this handle actually goes in like this, I think. Yeah. So the Allen bolts are for this mounting points. So let me show you guys on how to fix this one. So this is the Allen key bolt. So also they have given us a small Allen tighter also. So they have also provided a small slot so that we can easily tighten or loosen it. So the same way we have to tighten this right side also. And this is how the electric polisher looks after fixing the handle. So they have given a small button, hold and lock button, and this is the speed control. So this one actually is more useful, I think, for polishing. It comes with 6 speed, and this is the pressing button, and this pin is actually to hold it so that you can run the motor continuously without having need to press the button. When you press and hold, it actually releases it. So the thing you see over here is the air vents. So the one disadvantage in this thing is if you are polishing it for too long, the air comes straight directly into your hands. So you will feel some numbness in your hands after a while. And this is the pad which I bought. So this one actually costed me around 350 to 400, which I can use it for polishing cars or bikes. So let me turn it on for you guys. So let me keep it in the first speed and show you. And now let me show you guys how this automatic button works. Press and hold the on button and just click it so it gets locked. And if you need to stop it, you could just press that button and it's stopped. So that's pretty much it, guys. So thank you for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe.